Hi dear students, welcome to my class. Now we are going to learn last topic in mental ability test. Topic 10, part 8, punched word pattern, folding or unfolding, directions. In question numbers 29 to 32, a piece of paper is folded and punched as shown in question figures on the left side, and four answer figures marked A, B, C and D are given on right side. Select the answer figure which indicates how the paper will appear when opened, means unfolded. Indicate your answer by darkening the circle in the OMR answer sheet against the number corresponding to the question. Children, let us see questions given in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Selection Test 2020. Question figures on left hand side, answer figures on right hand side as A, B, C, D. Question number 29. First figure is folded up, 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 up. Second figure is again folded up, up, left. Third figure is folded again up, up, basing this diagonal, and also punched, means so made holes, two holes. After first open, we get to two holes here. Here two holes will come. After opening this side, we get again four holes like this. After opening totally, we will get like this. Total 8. So like this. So which figure like this? A naught, option A naught, option B is absolutely correct. Question number 32. A paper is folded half of this figure, again folded like this. Now punched here. After first opening, we get here, here one hole, here also one hole like this. Like this hole. Rectangular shape, like this rectangle shape. So which figure like this? A not, B also not, C is exactly. So option C is correct. Question number 31. First figure folded up, 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 again up, left, again folded off, basing diagonal, and also punched like a triangle. After opening first, we will get this shape here, triangle, here, here, here. So these shapes, after opening first time like this, again second time this side will come, this like this. So here will come. After opening, here will come. So this side, this side, this side. So option A is correct. If there is doubt, children, you take a paper and do practically like this. After opening, you will get like this figure, no doubt at all. Question number 32. Now folded this side, again folded this side, then punched here as a triangle, like a triangle and a circle. After opening this, we will get these two figures, this side, this side, this side. So which one like this will come? This side, this side also, this side also, like this will come. So which figure as like this? Option C is exactly. Students, while solving these questions, must keep the following points in mind. First, identify the way in which paper is folded. Second, determine the pattern of dotted lines. It shows the way in which a piece of paper is folded. Third, folded figure may cut from either of the sides as horizontally or vertically. Let us see few examples here. Only folded. Here is a square shaped paper with no folding. First fold like this, second fold like this. Then after opening this paper, how like we will get? So this like parts 4. So option 2 is correct. Second example, problem figures, answer figures. First fold, first here is a circle folded up. Again second fold like this, third fold like this. After opening this paper, this side will come. Here, here. So option third fold here, here. Option 4. Option 4 is exactly. Second model, folding and punching. Problem figure, answer figure. First folded up, again folded up. Now punched here, punching. After opening like this, holes will get 4 like this. And here one more, here, here. So like this, like this. Option 3. Here we have not circle shaped, this, that's why this is not correct. So 3 is exactly correct, no doubt at all. Next, second one, problem figure, answer figures. First fold, like this. Second fold here punched. After opening, like this, shapes will come. Here and also here. So in which option, like this is circle, okay. First, second knot, third knot, fourth. What is the difference between first and fourth? Here one side direction. So fourth, option 4 is absolutely correct. Okay, these are all about punched word pattern, folding or unfolding. Children, I think you understood well. Okay, if there is any doubt, you may comment in my comment box. I will clear your doubts. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.